Today, hiring decisions are based on what candidates tell you. A resume, a portfolio PDF, words. But what if there was a way to actually verify their work? Not just see it, prove it's real, prove it's theirs, prove it hasn't been changed. Welcome to TrustFolio, a decentralized AI-verified portfolio platform powered by Zero-G. TrustFolio isn't just another portfolio site. It's a complete system that transforms how professionals prove their skills and how companies hire based on verified credentials. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Upload your files, PDFs, code, designs, anything that proves your work. They're stored on Zero-G, and you get a Merkle hash as proof of ownership. Server wallet handles the transaction on your behalf. An LLM scores your file into tiers: Diamond, 90 to 100, Gold, 75 to 89, Silver, 60 to 74, Bronze, less than 60, not mintable. If you qualify, you can mint your soul-bound credential. Gas fees apply. Now let's mint INFT. An INFT is different from your soul-bound credential. An INFT is transferable. It's an asset. You can trade it. When you list it or trade it, the scores are always visible. The proof is always verifiable. The file is always accessible via the root hash. Buyers know exactly what they're getting. This creates a unique market. Instead of generic NFTs, you have verified, AI-scored, portable credentials changing hands. When a sale happens, the contract handles the transaction. You receive 97.5% of the sale price. TrustFolio takes a 2.5% protocol fee to sustain operations. Employers can accumulate credentials from people they trust. Professionals can monetize their verified work. The INFT follows the ERC 7857 standard. Once you've minted your INFT, you can list it for sale. You set a price. You pay a small gas fee for the listing transaction. You can't hire yourself. Instead, you can cancel listing. The system requires separate wallets, keeping everything fair, verifiable, and completely trustless for everyone involved. Now let's dive in hiring workflow. The employer logs in and goes to the Hire tab. They create a job posting. They fill out job title and description, project scope and deliverables, budget and milestone breakdowns, timeline. They lock funds in an escrow contract. This is critical. The money never goes to them. The money never goes to you. It's held by the smart contract. What you, the employee, see. Once the job is posted, if your credentials match the requirements, you get a notification. You review the job details, the budget, the timeline. You have two choices. Accept, you agree to the work. Decline, you're not interested. If you accept, you pay a small gas fee to accept the job. The contract moves to in progress. You do the work. It might take days or weeks. You're building something, coding something, designing something. When you're done, you mark the work as complete and submit proof, a link to your final deliverable, screenshots, code commit hashes, whatever demonstrates completion. What the employer does. The employer reviews your submission. They verify the work meets the requirements. If it does, they release the funds. A single transaction. The escrow contract transfers the payment to your wallet in Zero-G tokens. If there's a dispute, the escrow holds, and both parties can escalate. But in the happy path, employer is satisfied, employee completed the work, it's smooth. The safety layer. The entire interaction is trustless. The employer's funds are locked. The employee's acceptance is on-chain. Completion is provable. Payment is instant. And here's the genius. The employer can filter candidates by their verified credential tier. Only hiring people with gold or diamond credentials? The smart contract enforces that. No unverified people can apply. The safety layer. The entire interaction is trustless. The employer's funds are locked. The employee's acceptance is on-chain. Completion is provable. Payment is instant. And here's the genius. The employer can filter candidates by their verified credential tier. Only hiring people with gold or diamond credentials? The smart contract enforces that. No unverified people can apply. Every file you upload goes through 3 steps. First, it's stored on 0G, fully decentralized, permanent, no central control. Second, an AI on 0G compute analyzes your work, scoring originality, quality, complexity, and authenticity. Third, it becomes a blockchain credential, a soul-bound token or tradable NFT tied to your wallet, all powered by 0G's core modules working together. What's next for TrustFolio? First, DAO governance with the $Trust token. Holders can vote on platform rules, fees, AI models, features, and treasury decisions, shifting control from founders to the community. Second, an enterprise API. Companies can plug TrustFolio directly into their hiring systems, verify credentials, filter candidates, and post jobs programmatically. And finally, cross-chain credibility powered by 0G data availability. Your credentials won't be limited to one chain. They can be verified across other blockchains like Ethereum. One portfolio, one source of truth, fully portable, verifiable identity, managing your professional identity. Throughout all of this, you maintain complete control in the Settings tab. You can update your availability status, available/open to hire/not available. Modify your profile information. Upload your profile metadata to 0G, storage track your credentials, and NFTs, view your on-chain hiring history, manage your notification preferences, switch between testnet and mainnet with a single wallet. Switch, every change you make to your profile is reflected across the platform immediately. Your identity is yours. You control it. TrustFolio isn't just a portfolio platform. It's a new standard for how professionals prove their worth and how organizations hire with confidence. Your work deserves to be verified. Your skills deserve to be trusted. Your career deserves to be on-chain. That's TrustFolio.